Now we come to exercise 15, word zone. Name the following with the help of the words given below. The words are predict, koala, Emperor Augustus, planetarium, arithmetic, red, classify, kimono, a furry chubby animal that lives in Australia. It's the koala. Children, a koala is found in Australia. Now, a koala looks very cuddly. You feel like holding it. It's a small animal. We don't find them living on the ground because they are not safe. They live high up on the tall trees of the eucalyptus. They live between the branches so that they can rest in peace. Okay, they are herbivorous animals, means they eat only plants. The color of the rising and setting sun. Children, the color when the sun rises and when the sun sets, it is red. The color of the rising and setting sun is red. A loose robe or gown that is tied with a sash, worn mainly in Japan. What is it called, children? It is called a kimono. It is called a kimono. You can see it's a loose gown and there's a sash. Sash means a broad belt. Okay, it is worn by the ladies of Japan. To say something before it happens. Children, it is called predict. Now you can see a crystal ball over here. There are people who study this science and they are able to predict. They can tell you what is going to happen tomorrow or in your life. Okay, that is called predict. To say something before it happens. The study of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers is called arithmetic. What is it called? It is called arithmetic. To put into groups according to same quality. It means classify. Here you can classify the shapes. You can also classify the colors. Okay, two exercises can be done in the same classify exercise in the given figure on top. Children, sometimes teacher mixes up all the names of boys, girls, and you have to separate them. Put the girls in one column, put the boys in another column, or birds and animals. When we classify them into different groups, that is called classify. The month of August is named after him. It is named after Emperor Augustus. This picture that you see, children, is the statue of Emperor Augustus. He was born on the 23rd of September. He was the first Roman emperor and he died in the month of August. That is why we have given the name for this month August after Emperor Augustus, because it is in this month that he died. A building containing a machine that throws spots of light on a surface to show the movement of the stars and planets. It's called a planetarium, children. A planetarium is a theater, a dome-shaped theater. Okay, it is a theater which helps present educational and entertaining shows about astronomy and the night sky. It is also used for training in celestial navigation. Celestial navigation means everything related to the sky, the planets and the satellites.